What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to talk about AMC and GME stock, as well as we're going to talk about the broader market, and then we're going to have a look into the options flow for all three of them. Now here, when we look at the chart of SPY had a pretty good run today. It went up almost 0.62%. Just from the last couple of days, the SPY has got up from the price around $459 to almost 472. The SPY is ripping. There was some sort of a fear regarding Omicron, which was creating a huge impact not just on the US market but other market all around the world as well. But now the fears are coming down a little bit regarding Omicron. As we can see in this article, S&P 500 inches closer to record high as Omicron fears ease. Wall Street main indexes rose for a third straight session on Thursday after early data suggested that Omicron variant of coronavirus was less severe than feared, lifting the mood ahead of Christmas break. Now here, when we have a look at the markets all around the world, we can see almost each and every exchange out there in the world is having a green day. So a lot of stocks were in green today, and every other country, even China, is in green today. It's a very good sentiment towards the broader market. Now, when this Omicron fears goes down a little bit, we might experience a Santa rally into the end of the year or maybe in the early month of January. Now, we know so far for sure there is a significant pullback will be coming in the broader market, which is completely inevitable. But for the meanwhile, it seems to be like we are in an upward momentum. Now, when we have a look at the options flow for this SPY, by looking at the options flow, I can tell you for sure there is a lot of bullish momentum coming into this SPY. People are betting that the SPY is going to go up from here onwards. Not many people are betting a bearish bets on the SPY. And just by looking at the options flow, there is nothing suspicious in the option flow which I can put out for you guys. So today the AMC stock was down for almost 0.56%. It was pretty steady in its price range. There was a significant drop in the morning when it went down to $26.82, and then the bounce back came in straight away. Now the average volume on AMC is 44.21 million, but today it was around 36.87 million. The volume is not there. There are very good news coming regarding this company. Now let's have a look at the options flow for AMC. Now today we saw somebody is buying a $30 put on AMC Entertainment stock, and these are 10,000 contracts. So that means it's almost around a million shares. This person is betting that the stock is going to go down. This seems to be like bearish bet, which is this individual placing on AMC Entertainment stock. How it's going to play out, we have to wait for the next week to know about it. Now, just in my personal opinion, I think this is a very risky bet this individual is playing. It seems to be like either he knows something, that's why he's betting that much amount of money towards the downside on this stock, or he's just YOLOing his money for a few quick bucks. But I don't see any further downside on AMC. We just have to wait for the next week to see some numbers coming out from the Matrix Resurrection. We are having a lot of good news coming out from AMC, and this news was one of them. AMC gets more theaters. AMC said it has entered into lease agreement on two theaters location, one in California city of Northridge and the other in Chicago. The two were formerly known as Pacific Northridge Fashion Center 10 and the ArcLight Chicago 14. AMC expects to reopen the location under new names sometimes in the spring of 2022. The movie operator pointed to success stories with two previous reopened locations, AMC Americana at Brand 18 and AMC The Grove 14 have been among the top 10 box office performers in the Los Angeles area and consistently finishing in the top 13. AMC hopes to reopen other properties as well, with CEO Adam Aaron noting that AMC is staying on offensive, looking for opportunities to strengthen our company. Lease transactions don't necessarily require as much upfront cash as outright acquisitions would. So the theater company appears to be sensitive to preserving its financial cushion while it hopes for more sustained rebound in theater going among consumers. This is all bullish news regarding AMC Entertainment stock. The company is doing very well. They are trying their level best to open more options for more revenue in the company, which is a overall bullish sentiment towards the stock as well as the company. Now let's have a look at the GameStop. The average volume on GME is 2.35 million and today's volume was around 1.05 million. So the volume is not there in GameStop yet. It's just going sideways for the meanwhile, but as we know, AMC and GME almost have this similar sort of a chart. As you can see, there was this big dip coming in GME as well as AMC. It's very identical. It seems to be like something fishy is happening over here in both AMC as well as GME stock. Both the charts were completely identical on the dip and both got a bounce straight away after it. Now let's have a look at the options flow for GME. By looking at the options flow, the overall sentiment towards the stock is towards the bullish side. Today, someone bought a $250 strike price call option with 100 contracts. That's a lot of money. This person is betting that the stock is going to go up from here onwards. Not many people are buying straight up puts on GME, which is a very good overall sentiment for the stock. Now, next week, I'm expecting some sort of a price action coming into both AMC as well as GME. We gotta see the numbers that's gonna come out for AMC for the Matrix Resurrection, which can create a upward momentum into the AMC as well as GME stock. AMC is having a very high implied volatility. So you need to understand every time you sell a put or a call on AMC, you will be collecting a good amount of premium on it. I am doing that almost at the end of the week by selling calls on AMC Entertainment stock and collecting a quick good amount of premium for it and taking advantage of high implied volatility on AMC Entertainment stock. Hope so you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel and I'm going to see you in the next one. Cheers.